Actually, I'm stealing my girl's cookies. What's good, gang? What's up, Zahid? It's been a minute. Damn, I was gonna send that signal free too. Like on Instagram, like, yo, I'm buying here. Mashallah. Hey. Assalamualaikum. Took any trades today? Yeah, bro. I made more than 5+% on all my accounts. Because I had originally lost 1.5%. I had originally lost 1.5% with a stop loss that was at 5. Oh, it was at 500, and it literally went to like fucking 3 pips under my stop, and I got re-entered martingale. Oh my god, bro, it was so annoying. But it doesn't matter. I mean, accounts were passed, chilling, big chilling. So technically, I mean, I made like 7.5% on my last trade, but overall, I'm up 5% on all accounts for the day. Past 2 challenges, easy. I don't know if you guys saw that. Do you use a trade copier? No, I don't. Nations doesn't allow trade copiers. So just going between phones. Baldy, hell yeah. Dude, I want snacks. I don't know what I want. I'm like going through all my shit. Do you guys do that too? Where it's just like, bro, my girl did like $650 worth of groceries, bro. We're 2 people. What is that shit? And it's all snacks. And I have no snacks. What was I gonna get? I was gonna get scissors. Oh, yeah. Do you pass challenge for people? Yeah, I'm doing that right now for the December. Since I'm not touching my main account. Yes, sir. Oh, wow. Jeez. How many pips I got tonight? Over 100 plus. Fucking bomb. Who else called them buys? Why are you wearing a Rolex indoors? Yeah, I don't even know why. I guess I'll keep the Rolex on. Until my brand new Paddock comes in. How much you charge to pass a challenge depends. I only did 5. I literally told my group. I didn't do it publicly. I did it for my group alone. I told them, oh, I'm about to get on right now in Call of Duty. And I told my group, I was like, yo guys, it's December. I'm not really gonna be trading my main account. So if anybody wants to, get a challenge, let's get it. So yeah, I got paid by 5 people. 2 of them just got passed, and I need like 2% more on the other ones. Fire. Where the fuck is Dr. Dollar? He said he was gonna go live with me. See, he left me hanging. Thoughts on Raul having 2 baby mamas? Or a condom? No, I'm just kidding. Congratulations to him, bro. Honestly, I do believe that if you are not financially stable, you don't deserve to put a child through suffering. Well, I mean, that's just my opinion, because I went through some shit. You know what I'm saying? But, I mean, if you're financially stable, right, and you can offer a very great future, then fuck it. Go have kids. Who gives a shit? You know what I'm saying? I mean, you're really never, ever ready but financially you can be ready. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, there's nothing bad about that. Mm-hmm. Alex G doesn't roll around. I guess he's the problem. Look, bro, I don't get into drama anymore because that's just not me. I walk a different path, like I said. But I mean, I'm not gonna speak on it. You fucking bitch! What are you doing in my face? Bro, I dropped the napkin. I didn't even notice and my dog was trying to eat it. What are you doing? Stop eating paper, fucker. You get that filet mignon kibble. What you mean, bro? Look at this dog, bro. Look, Bella. Me? You eat that filet mignon kibble, bro. Trying to eat paper over here. Why did you stop clicking? Look, bro. When people do business together, and some people don't do business the right way, and they want to do things scammy, and they want to, take advantage of followers, then things and people fall off. You know what I'm saying? And so that's just the reality. I mean, don't do business with people because, in this industry, there's a lot of fucking money. And people, when they see these 6-figure days and 6-figure weeks and months in business, I mean, some people aren't really with the loyalty, bro. I mean, that money divides you. You know what I'm saying? That money really divides your friendships. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, hey, it is what it is, bro. That's why I don't do business with friends no more. Everybody that I've tried to help out, even like this recent guy, I'm not gonna mention his fucking name, but dude, like I tried to help him out, whatever. Ended up cutting the dude off because he was like, doing some, he was doing some things that weren't really, you know what I'm saying? Like, didn't need that. You know what I'm saying? He even hit up my freaking best friend's baby mama to come to an event. Like, what the fuck? So whatever, stop fucking with him. And every dude that I've tried to help out, it just seems to fuck me over. Like Badase and Dr. Dollar are like literally the only real ones that like I have. You know what I'm saying? Help them make a bunch of fucking money. They've made tens and tens of thousands of dollars, up to hundreds of thousands of dollars. And bro, like, dude, like they're still loyal to me because, I helped them get there. You know what I'm saying? And all these other people, I don't know what the fuck. Instead of being a fucking real human being, be a genuine person. And then boom, when times get hard, hey, I can be there for you. But don't fuck somebody over. And then when times get hard, you're stuck alone. And then you get mad because nobody wants to give you fucking money. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, dude, like, the fuck out of here. No, and then they try to discredit you, saying a whole bunch of lies because you don't give them money. Get the fuck out of here. But dude, money really does fuck with people's relationships. You know what I'm saying? This is why I'll never go into business with my best friends no more. That's it. You know what I'm saying? That's just the reality of it, gang. You don't do business with friends or family. It's not how it is. Yeah, and Alex and Raul, they got their own little shit, whatever. You know what I'm saying? They have their own little situation, and that's it. I'm not going to speak about it. Well, I don't know, man. I saw it coming too. I'm telling you guys, money separates people, bro. You don't want to do business with your friends, dude, because when the money is this much money, it really does separate people. You know what I'm saying? There's no loyalty in money. There really isn't. You know what I'm saying? There is no loyalty in money. People see they have that one little feeling like, oh my God, the money can go away. The money's running out. Then they start to make drastic decisions. And then, they start to fuck over everybody. You know what I'm saying? And that's why I just, like I said, never do business with friends or family, guys. So this is how it is. Ooh, somebody joined my live. What's up, girl? No, I'm just kidding. Bro, most of the traders are like in Miami, kind of. At least the big ones. And then the other ones are just like big too, but they don't really flashy. You know what I'm saying? But in Miami, bro, Miami is Miami. You know what I'm saying? Did your girl ever burn her trading account? Dude, she's never blown an account, bro. My girlfriend has never traded, a day in her life that she's lost more than 5% a day. Like, holy fuck, dude. Like, it really like amazes me. She's doing a challenge for me right now. She's up 3%. I don't have beef with anybody, guys. Me and Raul have no problems. Me and Alex have no problems. We have no beef whatsoever. We even say Thanksgiving, Happy Thanksgiving to each other, Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas. There's no beef, guys. There's no beef. Who the fuck is that guy? Are you cool with Ryan and Q? Oh yeah. And Q followed me. Like a few days ago, actually. What's Q-tip up lately? Nah, bro. This man just said I look like a Q-tip, bro. Man, I'm telling you, bro. I had to let go of the other Daniel Savage. This is the new Daniel Savage reincarnated. The only people that beef with me are broke and live off signals and courses. Those are the only people that beef with me. That's it. Don't slow down on YouTube. I'm gonna keep doing vlogs though. It's just when I go live, bro, those people fuck with me, dog. They I don't know, for some reason I find myself being rushed. I rush my trades. I don't think good. My psychology's all fucked up. Like every time I go on Zoom, bro, I always have an issue. Oh, excuse me. You're inspired Andrew Tate to shave his head, bro. Danny used to be really savage all around. Yes, guys, I'm telling you, I'm more humble now. What's up, George? I'm more humble. Yes, sir. That's why I don't have Savage in my name no more. I'm not Daniel Savage no more. I don't even grow your beard. I'm not chill, bro. I'm not trying to look like an Aryan Brotherhood either, bro. Where's Dollar, bro? I don't see him. He was supposed to join me. The person who bought your Lambo, he crashed it, bro. He crashed it in like the same month. I made so much money on that car. I basically drive my Audi for free. I love my Audi, dude. That car you can daily. It's so comfortable. It's so sporty. It's so fast. Oof. My boy Mad Charts in South Africa is about to buy one right now too. Does your signals have live trading? No, I don't do that. Well, I used to, but it fucks with my psychology a lot. Like on Wednesday, we live traded. We caught about 70 pips. 70 pips on Wednesday live trading Zoom, and then we lost 20 pips on Thursday Zoom. So we made 70, lost 20, and then today we made 100 plus. What's up, Mr. Oops one? Yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I haven't taken a challenge in a very long time because my account has been like massive. And dude, I took these challenges, and bro, they're like, yo, it's like a roller coaster, dog. I forgot what that felt like. You know what I'm saying? I really forgot what that felt like. You know what I'm saying? Like objectives. You know, I've been so blessed with my trading lately, but I've also been bored with it. You know what I'm saying? I've been like bored as fuck with my trading. So like, dude, like doing these challenges for people, like, bro, it's been super fun. Like super fun. Like, it like brings me back to like the super old days. You know what I mean? It brings me back to the super old days. Like it's really fucking, it's awesome. Oh, I want January to come by. Yo, facts. But yeah, today was insane, bro. We got, one trade, on one entry alone, we got a 550 entry. And dude, that shit went up to 300 TP2, bro. Sheesh, bro. So we risked 20 pips to make over, 60 plus. Imagine, bro, 80 pips. Yeah, we made 4 times our risk on that trade. And I held the whole thing, bro. Martingale the fuck out of my first entry. You see, now that's what trading is about, guys. When you try to minimize your risk as much as possible and capitalizing as much as possible. You know what I'm saying? What are you doing? Dude, it's like 4, it's almost 5 in the morning. Go to sleep. What are you doing? Bro, my dog is a vampire also, bro. Can you stop? What is that shit? So basically, what I ended up doing was, I took my first trades, right? So I risked 1% on my first trade. On my martingale entry trade, I risked another 1%, correct? And I was willing to lose 2%. And then I ended up making literally fucking like 6-7%. Yeah. So that was pretty dope. If you want to see the trades, I posted them on my story. There was this one guy who was up 1%, and I made 7% on his account. Just with that method alone, and passed his 8%. And I'm telling you, you guys should have took advantage of the 8%. You guys should have really took advantage of the 8% fucking promo Nations had, past 8%. And, that was a really good promo. You guys really should have took advantage of that. What's up, Derek? Oh, don't tell me you're in fucking South Miami right now. Oh, no, it's closed right now. No, he's probably in 24 right now. Oh, Lordy. Or the river. No, stop it. Should have vlogged them challenges. Nah, I feel like it's gonna bother my mental. I'm telling you, bro. Like any little small thing, like it really fucks with the trader's mind. You know what I'm saying? Like, remember, you're taking decisions. You know what I'm saying? You're taking financial decisions, and once you start fucking with those financial decisions, they start to become emotional decisions, and then they fuck your financial decisions. You know what I'm saying? Every firm does 8%. You're not special. Boy, shut the fuck up. Just kidding. You vlogged the 100K FT moment, smashed it though. Nah, that was 2 years ago though. That was literally 2 years ago. I'm at South. No, you're not. I doubt it. Anyways, gang, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna go fucking play some Call of Duty now. Peace out, gang. No gambling, guys. No gambling. But I think 167 is